In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted Chrome history. If you've ever cleared your browsing history by accident and then needed to find a website you visited before, this method can help you check whether that activity is still available through your Google account. This works best if you were signed into Chrome and had activity tracking enabled at the time. To begin, open Google Chrome on your device. Make sure you're using the browser where you normally sign in with your Google account. Starting in Chrome is important because this is usually where your browsing activity is connected to your account, especially if sync or web activity settings were turned on. Once Chrome is open, go to your Google account activity page. This is the page where Google may store a record of searches, browsing activity, and other account-related actions depending on your settings. If you're not sure whether your history can be recovered, this is the first place to check because deleted local browser history may still appear here if it was saved to your account. When the page loads, sign in with the same Google account you use in Chrome. This part is very important. If you have more than one Google account, make sure you choose the one that was actually connected to your browsing activity. Otherwise, the timeline you see may be incomplete or may not show the websites you're looking for. After signing in, scroll down through the page to view a timeline of your past searches and websites visited. Take your time here and look carefully through the activity list. In many cases, you'll be able to find previously visited pages, search terms, and the dates they were accessed. This can help you recover information about sites you visited, even if the history was removed from Chrome itself. As you review the timeline, it may help to remember roughly when you visited the missing site. That can make it much easier to scan through the activity and locate the right entry. If your account has been actively used for a long time, the timeline may contain a lot of information, so being patient can save time in the long run. Keep in mind that this method depends on your Google activity settings. If web and app activity was turned off, or if the browsing session was not associated with your signed in account, the deleted history may not appear here. That's it. By opening Chrome, visiting your Google account activity page, signing into the correct account, and reviewing the activity timeline, you can often recover deleted Chrome history quickly and easily.